Are you looking for a way to transform your home with beautiful and durable hardwood flooring? Do you want to work with a trusted and experienced company that can handle any project, big or small? Hardwood flooring is a great choice for any home. It adds warmth, elegance, and value to your property. It is easy to maintain, resistant to stains and scratches, and environmentally friendly. It also comes in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to suit your taste and budget. Brothers Flooring is your one-stop shop for all your hardwood flooring needs in Denver, Colorado. We have over 20 years of experience in the industry, and we offer high-quality products and services at affordable prices. We have a team of skilled and certified installers who can handle any project, from simple repairs to full-scale renovations. We also provide free estimates, financing options, and warranties for your peace of mind. Don't wait any longer. Contact Brothers Flooring today and get ready to enjoy your new hardwood flooring. Visit our website to learn more about our products and services, or call us now to schedule your free estimate. Brothers Flooring, the best hardwood flooring company in Denver, Colorado.